from Attraction Tickets Direct, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most of your Universal Orlando Resort holiday. Our first tip is to book your gate-ready tickets in advance. You don't want to start your holiday waiting in a queue. Another great thing about buying your tickets in advance is that your passes will be valid for 14 days, meaning you can enter again and again. Make sure you arrive early to make the most out of your day. And if you're staying at the Universal Orlando Resort Hotel, take advantage of the exclusive theme park benefit, early park admission, to get in even earlier. With your Universal Orlando Explorer ticket, you can hop on the Hogwarts Express. It's included in the ticket and allows you to travel between Universal Studios Florida and Universal's Islands of Adventure. Single rider lines can save you queuing at some of the biggest attractions, whilst virtual line technology is already being used on rides like this one. The mobile app allows you to choose a time to ride the attraction at your leisure. So no waiting around. You can even invest in a Universal Express pass to skip the line once at each attraction. Over at Universal's Volcano Bay water theme park, it's so easy to pack loads into your day with the Tapu Tapu wearable. You can reserve attractions by tapping your band and pay for things that you buy in the park quickly and easily. Finally, make sure you pay a visit to the amazing Universal CityWalk, which is less than 5 minutes walk from the parks. There are tons of great food and entertainment options for the whole family. I hope you enjoyed our top tips for getting the most out of your Universal Orlando Resort holiday. Make sure you check out our other Universal guides if you did.